Imagine a world where every real estate decision is powered by precise AI forecasts. Global markets shift overnight, leaving investors, owners, and planners guessing. RealPage AI analyzes trillions of data points to predict where value will rise and fall. It ingests lease data, occupancy patterns, economic indicators, and satellite imagery in real time. Advanced machine learning models detect subtle trends, seasonality, and emerging demand at street level. Interactive maps and animated forecasts turn complex signals into clear, actionable insight. From New York to Nairobi, RealPage AI delivers localized forecasts across hundreds of cities worldwide. Operators optimize pricing, developers choose sites, and lenders assess risk with unprecedented confidence. Continuous validation against live transactions sharpens accuracy and reduces uncertainty over time. Data privacy and enterprise-grade security protect sensitive information at every step. Imagine projecting revenue, occupancy, and investment returns months, even years ahead. RealPage AI. Predict the future of real estate. Visit realpage.com to request a demo.